του μαγαζιά, τέτοια.
I believe we start walking.
It would be better if you move to a more safe location for your own good.
Are you ready, bro? It doesn't look like.
I'm actually feeling pretty good.
It wasn't that cold, by the way.
So this is where we have to go today. $56 kilometers. That's where I want to go. I think we're only going to make it here to Metaxades. Μάνι, Πελοπόννησο. Πελοπόννησο. Να περπατήσω με τα πόδια. Την εκκλησία τι άλλο.
Θα βάλω αυτό να φταίει την εγώση. Κοίταξε, εδώ υπάρχουν μουσουλμάνοι σε Θράκη γενικώς.
Ναι.
Ξάθη και Κομωτινή υπάρχουν πάρα πολλοί.
Ναι.
Ζούνε, δηλαδή χρόνια από τότε που έφεραν την Τουρκία, αυτοί έμειναν, συνέχισαν εδώ και ζούνε. Γενές.
Ναι.
Και στο Δημότιο έχει εδώ. Έχει πολύ μεγάλο πληθυσμό. Κομωτινή και Ξάνθη είναι μισός πληθυσμός.
Αγρότης και αυτούς.
Ναι, αγρότης και άλλα επαγγέλματα διάφορα. Και μαγαζιά τέτοια. Και στις πόλεις Κομωτινή και Ξάνθη έχουν και μαγαζιά αυτά.
Και δεν έχετε προβλήματα γιατί στην Αθήνα το μόνο που κοιτάμε είναι η πολιτική, είναι τόσο μεγάλο πρόβλημα οι Τούρκες εδώ πάνω, αλλά...
Όχι, κοίταξε, δεν ξέρω αν για αυτούς πρόβλημα. Για μας, σας που κατοικούμε εδώ, δεν έχουμε εμείς πρόβλημα αυτά με αυτούς. Ζούμε αρμονικά, ζούμε καλά, δεν έχουμε κανένα πρόβλημα.
Ναι.
Δεν έχουμε πρόβλημα γιατί είναι αυτοί μουσουλμάνοι και εμείς είμαστε χριστιανοί. Όχι. Τέτοιο πρόβλημα δεν έχουμε.
Στην Κύπρο, εγώ μένω στην Κύπρο 3 μήνες και το παιδί και εκεί είναι ξεχωριστά.
Όχι, όχι.
Ναι.
Ζούμε εδώ όλοι μαζί και ζούμε και είμαστε και πολιτικοί και φίλοι και και με τους Τούρκους εδώ που πάμε μουσουλμάνοι πηγαίνουμε. Τα σύνορα είναι από τις Καστανές δίπλα είναι. Περνάνε πολύ, πηγαίνουμε και εγώ έχω πάει πολλές φορές. Είναι καλά, δηλαδή δεν μας δημιουργούν πρόβλημα. Ίσα μας εξυπηρετούν πάρα πολύ καλή. Μας δέχονται με έτσι ευγένεια να μας εξυπηρετήσουν οι Τούρκοι ας πούμε.
Βλέπεις...
Και οι Βούλγαροι και εδώ που είμαστε δίπλα. Και αυτοί το ίδιο. Έχουμε καλές σχέσεις. Παλιότερα, πριν 5-6 χρόνια, 10, περνούσαν από εδώ, μέσα από το ποτάμι, υπάρχει ποτάμι, τα σύνορα Βουλγαρίας, Τουρκίας και Ελλάδος, χωρίς ένα ποτάμι.
Ο Μαρίτσα.
Ο Εύρος που λέμε, Μαρίτσα. Από εδώ περνούσαν εκατοντάδες. Κάθε μέρα περχόταν τα πρώτα χρόνια, τους δίναμε και φαγητό και ρούχα, τους δίναμε την βρεγμένη ήτανε. Περνούσαν νερά, βρεγμένοι.
Ήτανε Τούρκος, οι Ινδιάνοι.
Αυτοί ήταν κάτω, Ασιάτες, Ιράν, Ιράκ, Πακιστάν, άντε, συνδυά. Καλό δρόμο. Συν.
Okay, so today is the first day of our Guinness World Record attempt for the fastest crossing of mainland Greece from north to south on foot. Today's day one. We're starting in the most northerly town of Greece called Ormenio. This is the Church of St. George. Here in Ormenio, this is the first day. If you come and take a little look, this is Ormenio. We're going by foot from about 10 kilometers past Metaxades into the forest, which will be 50 kilometers, 11 and a half hours of walking. So they say I think it'll be about 10 because I'm really fast. In terms of GPS coordinates, I'm going to show you a few things. So this is the GPS app. This is the GPS coordinates. And this is the date. On top of that, I'm recording with a Garmin watch, which will start now. Waiting for GPS. Now we started. Third level of GPS security, so we know that we don't get anything wrong. So as of right now, as you can see, it's 8 a.m. Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024. You can see the square, which is just over there. And we are in Armenia, it says it here. How far up is this cat up my leg there? So yeah, so this is tracking now. I'm going to put this here and turn it off later. So, this is my flag of choice among many. And we're going to take this across Greece to where Greece started, where this flag started. Money. So, I believe we start walking. I give up. Yeah? Yerde. Strava, GPS watch, GPS, Google Maps. So we are in Armenia. We're just leaving the city boundaries. Yeah.
Ciao.
Yeah, so we're just leaving Armenia now, most northerly town in Greece. Over that way you can see the Rhodope Mountains. It's a massive forest. It's going to take 2-3 days to cross, I think. We're probably going to end up there today. Over that way you can see Turkey. Just over those hills is Adrianople. Some people call it Edirne. Some people like us call it Adrianople. Just over the city is Bulgaria, about 5 kilometers north. And now we are going to walk 1,200 kilometers to Mani. Let's go. Kilometers in. 1,190 to go. So I'm having lunch. Oh, really comes and goes, eh? And I got something about a wasp on my back. Oh. 10k to Metaxadis, 10k into the forest. Metaxadis will buy some stuff. Cheers.
You eating or you're walking across a country?
Walking across the country. Alrighty, so time is about 5:30. So today I went from Armenia and I'm almost about to get to Metaxades. It's a city right there in the background from Ormenio to Metaxades is about 42k. Quick marathon. Easy there. And then behind Metaxades starts the mountain range, the forest basically. Now, I'll be honest, it's a bit daunting. From Metaxades to the other side of the Rodopi mountains to Nea Santa is 69 kilometers of winding roads up and down mountains. We drove it. We know what it looks like. So now I've got to do it by foot. So what I'm thinking is quick pit stop at Metaxades now, and then I'm going to go and do about 10k into the mountains. So instead of trying to do 70k tomorrow, I only have to do 60 to get out of the mountains, which I think I can do. I don't know, but maybe. Let's see what we can do tonight, see if we can get 10k into the mountains. I've done a bunch of work for my business, e-commerce brokers. We help you buy and sell online businesses. Gael and I have good flow already in terms of getting work done, in terms of, like working together. The kid is very capable. He knows what he's doing. Even though he's only 21, he's pretty smart and switched on. So I'll see you at Metaxades. I saw George. Δεν μπορώ. Γράψτε τα ελληνικά, είναι εντάξει. Day one complete. I did about 51.6 kilometers. We're in the forest. Let's wrap it up here. So, first things first. Watch. The first part was 35k. Second part was 15.86k. That is stopped. How do you, okay.
Okay, shake.
Save. And then Strava, which carried all day, 51.24 kilometers, time 11 hours.
Show the day.
Date is
We're gonna have fucking
7 November, Thursday, 7:25 p.m. Finish for the day. All the way from Ormenio, here, all the way past Metaxades into the forest. Finished.
Καλησπέρα σας. Συγγνώμη για την ενόχληση. Λοιπόν, θα μπορούσα να έχω λίγο τα χαρτιά σας. Yes, you don't know it, so it would be better if you move to a more safe location for your own good.